This is a gold market. I think maybe you can see from the far hand, guys. So so this is a gold market, guys. Maybe so. Let me show you a long-term view of this market, guys. So this market has been going up. So I had to draw this. Can see I had to draw a trend line to this trend line. Let me show you guys. So I had to draw a trend line to show the long-term view of this market. So you can see every time when so this one was my first touch, guys. So this was my first touch. Let me make it clear. Yeah, I think now it's clear, guys. So I think, guys, I think. So these are the area where I was interested to buy only. These were my area of interest only. I think these areas. These were my area of interest. These were my area of interest to buy this market. So so currently I'm holding this trade, but on a swing trade. I'm holding this trade, but I'm doing swing trade. It's a gold market, you can see. It's a gold market. I'm doing it a swing trade. So I was able to get an entry here. Let me show you here. When the market came and touched, so I went to a low time frame, and I was able to get an entry. Just a minute. Maybe I can set the I want to check. Just a minute. I want to check the keyboard. I want to set the keyboard so that I can share again the screen. Oh, now I can share again the screen, guys. Is it clear? I think it's clear. Because on my side here, it's clear. So here, I wanted to write buy market. Here, I wanted to write buy market here. I wanted to, because here, I took a buy trade here. So this is where I took my buy trade. It was around this region. Yeah, that's when I took a buy trade. I took a buy trade. So this buy trade, I got an entry on a lower time frame. It was on 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys. So this is where I took my gold buy, guys. This is where this one is on a shorter time frame. I was able to take a buy trade here, but here I was focusing on a long-term gold buy. So I was able to take an entry here, and this trade I'm still holding till right now. I'm still holding till right now this trade. I'm still holding this trade till now. Yeah. So possible I'm gonna be holding this trade till this region. Let me show you guys. So this is the highest point gold reached, guys. You can see this is the highest point gold reached. So if you're doing as a swing trade, I think right now you can hold till that point. So maybe you can check that point area. So that point area is 55.31. 55.31. So to see, it's a long-term view market, guys. It's a long-term. Every time when the market was bouncing off that trend line, it gave me confidence to hold that trade buy. I think. Yeah. So this is I can say maybe it's a long-term. Yeah, long-term till here. Maybe you can hold that. It's a lot of pips, guys. You can see, for example, for me, I'm almost even like 2,000 pips on this gold, because I knew gold is gonna be buying. So it's crazy, around 4,000 pips. I'm still holding that trade. So I'm gonna be exiting my position when the market goes to 55.31, because that is the highest point gold reached this year. Yeah, that was the highest point gold reached, guys. So So that is for gold for me, maybe, and for Nasdaq, so today, maybe if I want to get an opportunity for this, maybe I'm going to be waiting for the market to bounce on the trend lines. Because I understand that the long-term view of the market is a uptrend. See, I can take an advantage of a trend line. Maybe I can draw this trend line like this, connect this point and this point. You can see I can connect those points like that. So this, for example, if I want maybe to trade as a day trader, maybe today, see. So so I'm gonna be waiting for the market to bounce this region here, which will become my trend line. I'm gonna see, guys, which are gonna become my trend line bounce. So this is my first bounce here. Then my second bounce was around this region. Then my third bounce was in this region. So today, if I want to trade gold today, I'm gonna be waiting for the market to bounce off this trend line to come. And also I can connect to be a channel. So also can connect to be a channel like this. Connect that point and this point. Yes. So if someone maybe was able to buy here, he should exit this market before market reaching here, because here we have also a demand. We normally call supply zone. Sellers are looking to sell at this region. You can see sellers are looking to sell at this region very, very massively. So for me, maybe I can say, if this market gonna come here, I'll be expecting to sell, but I won't sell it because for me, I'm thinking of buying gold long term. long term. So I'll be looking for buys only. So to me, I'll be looking for buys only. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for buys only. I'll be looking for a buys market only. Yeah, so this is for the gold market, guys. This is for the gold market. This is for the gold markets. Yeah, just analyze very easily. So today, so this market is approaching where? Is approaching the upper trend line. You can see it's approaching my upper trend line here. So when this market reaches this area of trend line here, there's a higher likelihood it will go down. So for me, if this market is gonna go down here, I'm gonna be waiting for my entry at this region here. I think here. So this is the area where I'll be buying. So this, for example, if you want to be part of the gold buy today, then this will be my area of interest. Yeah. So this drawing, I'm gonna lock this drawing here. So this drawing I'm gonna lock here. So when you lock this drawing here, it will never disappear. It will never disappear. So I'm gonna be looking here so that I'll be checking during the day. I'll be checking during the day how the market is approaching my levels. So so I'll be watching it. I'll be watching it during the day so that I don't miss an entry. So that I don't miss to get an entry in the market. So so this is from analysis for the gold market. Maybe I can check Nasdaq because I normally trade Nasdaq. I normally trade also Nasdaq 100. So maybe I can check Nasdaq. Let me check Nasdaq 100. So we have here Nasdaq 100. So I don't know, guys, if you are trading Nasdaq 100. So this is analysis for Nasdaq. Also, I had done previously. Maybe I can draw it afresh. You see, I had locked it. So when you locked it, the drawings will never disappear. And if you close your computer, you back maybe after some hours, the drawings will never disappear. That's the benefit of using a trading view, because it is able to keep your drawings. It is able to keep your drawings. So let me draw again afresh. So this market I was able to get, so you need to connect the low points. I think these points, I was able to connect these points like this. Like this. You see, these lower lows in the forex market. So every time when the market will bounce this region, then I'll be looking for sales. I think, guys. So connect that point. Yeah, so this is Nasdaq 100. So this Nasdaq 100, can see. It's a Nasdaq 100. So this Nasdaq 100, the market is moving and it's trying to bounce off the trend line, coming back again like this. So here, I'll be looking to sell when this market bounces off this region. So right now, I don't have an entry in this market. Right now, I don't have an entry in this market, but I am going to be waiting for the market to bounce off the trend line, then go down like this. So this is my analysis for NASDAQ 100, guys. Trend line strategy. So for me, I trade in the trend line strategy. I love trend line because most of the times it helps me to know the overall view of the market. If the market is on a downtrend, I'll be able to understand where to sell, guys. I think this line again, maybe there again. Sorry. So this is for NASDAQ. So in this market, probably today, this market is going to be coming to my trend line here. So when the market comes to my trend line here, I will not just be buying randomly. I'm going to be waiting for confirmation candles. So confirmation candles, these are called confirmation entries on my side. So I need to have like bearish engulfing, candle like bearish engulfing. So maybe if someone maybe so we can show you how bearish engulfing looks like, so that I need my candle to be like this. To have, you see this candle, it's a bearish engulfing. Maybe let me show you guys. So the green candle, see this green candle, the red candle, it has engulfed the green candle. This red candle, it has engulfed the red candle here. The green candle, this one. So they had the same opening and closing price, but this red candle was able to close below the previous green candle. Now this one you can call it as a bearish engulfing. So this is what I'm gonna be waiting. I'm gonna be waiting in this region here, so that I can decide to take an opportunity to sell. Are you seeing, guys? So that I can be looking for opportunity to sell, guys. Yeah. You can see this is what we can go to H4. Yeah, I think H4 is a bit clear. H4 is a bit clear, you can see. Yeah, H4 is a bit clear, guys. H4 is a bit clear. Yeah, H4 is a bit clear. So this is what I'm waiting for NASDAQ today. So this is what I'm waiting for NASDAQ, for the market to bounce off the trend line and then goes down. So here I'll be looking here to sell trade. I'll be looking to sell NASDAQ. Yes, very, very simple and precise. I'm just looking for entries where the market is gonna bounce the trend line. That's it, guys. And also, guys, I can connect the low points to know where maybe I need to exit the market, or maybe to connect the triangle. So so you can do like this. Then you can also draw a channel to connect these points on the low side, like this. Connect this point and this point. So you can see the market came and was rejected exactly here. Same region here. Are you seeing? So if I'm going to be taking a sell here, if I'm going to be taking my sell trade here, I'm going to exit the previous low. Where is my previous low? My previous low is here. So this is the area where I'll be looking to exit my market. This is the area where I'll be looking to exit my market. This region here, guys. Yeah, so this is my analysis for NASDAQ 100. Maybe I can go again to, because NASDAQ, I'll just be waiting. So let me lock it like this. Let me lock it here, so that I'll come back later maybe to confirm if the market has touched that region, then I can sell. I think, guys. Okay, so maybe I can go again to another market, US 30. So I can go again to US 30, because sometimes if I get an opportunity at US 30, I usually enter that trade. Higher, you can see. Also, I had analyzed, but let me just remove it. Delete drawings, like that. So you need to connect these points, because trendline we said we normally you can connect only these points. So I can click here and here like this. And again, this market was able to break this level. This, you can see, was able to break this level here. Yeah, I was able, you can see we had a very long breakout here. So this one, I'm going to be waiting for the market to retrace to where it broke. You can see here. And also another entry where I can be looking to buy is if this market is going to come to this region here, because this was my first touch here, my second touch here, I think, guys. Then my third touch where, if for example, I'm just hoping maybe the market want to come to that region. I think, guys, I think that region, yeah, if the market gonna come to that region, then I'm gonna be looking to buy. If I'm gonna, then I'll be looking to buy. I'll be looking to buy, guys. I'll be looking to buy, guys, that market. I'll be looking to buy. Yes, but today we have our first entry. If this market gonna bounce this region, then I'll be buying. Then I'll be buying. Yeah, the market will bounce that region, then I will be buying, guys, here. I'll be buying at this region. Yeah, so this is my analysis for D keeps. At D keeps. Yes. Yeah, keeps, tell me where you're watching me. Tell me where you're watching me from, guys. Yeah, D keeps, tell me your towns. Tell me where you're watching me from. The comments there. Yeah, so this is my analysis for the gold market for the US 30. This is my analysis for the US 30. D keeps from Tanzania. So D keeps, tell me, maybe you can share to me which market do you want us to analyze? Which market maybe do you want us to analyze together? You can check, then we can be helping. So I think what you can do every day from 6 a.m. I think I'm gonna be going live every day from 6 a.m. To do our live analysis. Then by 7:30 there, by 7:20 we are done. So that all of us, we're gonna be waiting for those entries, for the market to retrace on those entries. Then you can take a picture of this. You can take a picture of this, and then you're gonna be looking it later, maybe on your let me check. Yes. Where are you from? I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, I am from Nairobi. Yeah, D keeps, I am from Nairobi. Last year I came to Tanzania. I was in a place called Mikocheni, Mombasa. Not Mombasa, Mikocheni, Tanzania. We have around, and then I went to Coco Beach. It's around Coco Beach. Yeah, Mikocheni. Yeah, last year I came to Mikocheni, Tanzania. Swahili boss. Yes. Do you know Mikocheni, guys? Do you know Mikocheni? Dikips? Do you know Mikocheni? Yes, Mikocheni. Yeah, even me, I was able to stay in Mikocheni. I stay in Mikocheni. I stay at Mikocheni. Wow, what a coincidence. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. I didn't know about it. So I think I'm going to be coming to TZ. Maybe next month. I don't know how we can connect. So that when I come there, I think we can show me around, and also maybe we can at least meet. Maybe we share ideas. Guys. So these are how I think you want to text me on my Instagram. You want to text me on my Instagram. But for example, if you are following me on my subscribing, or if you have subscribed on my channel, I think what you can do is maybe I'm going to be putting on my bio, on my YouTube bio there. I'm going to be putting my Instagram. I'm going to be putting my Instagram at that point. So then you will text me. Then maybe today, yeah. Then you'll text me. Then I'm going to be then we can get in touch. Yeah, so we keep GPP JPY. So let's check GPP JPY. Yeah, GPP JPY. So this is what we are waiting. So you can see this how the GPP JPY is moving currently. GPP JPY. So for me, what I can say, for example, if I want to analyze GPP JPY, I can draw this point, this high, and this low. Are you seeing? So you need to draw only points of where the market has retraced. You can see like this. So what I'm waiting for this market to come and bounce off this trend line here. So this was my first touch here. Then this was my second touch here. Then my third touch is here. I think yes, maybe we're gonna be checking this. We're gonna be checking this during the day. Yeah, I'm gonna be checking this during the day. We're gonna be checking this during the day. So this is our analysis for and also this market is a very good maybe which you can swing trade because you can just imagine the market currently is here. So where is the lower low? Is here, of course. I think low is here. So to mean this market, I'm gonna be holding a very long sell from here. I'm gonna be selling here. I'm gonna be selling this market from here. Let me type it like this. So I'm gonna be selling this market very long term till here. So this is where I'll be exiting. And that's a lot of pips on GPGP. Let's check how many pips maybe you could be targeting. Let's check the pips, guys. Yeah. The pips maybe you could be targeting is around 300 pips. That's a lot of pips, guys. That's a lot of pips. Can see from that point to this point. Maybe I can use this maybe to project. Let me use this short position here. So this is my sell position here. Maybe my stop loss. Maybe I'll be setting around my stop loss this region here. Then my take profit this region. I think. Yeah. So this is my projection for GPP USD, not GPP JPY. Yeah. We're gonna be checking this. So this is where my stop loss is. I'll be setting my stop loss around this region. Then take profit. So risk reward is really good. Risk reward is very, very, very good. So guys, I'll be going live every day from 7 a.m. Not from 7 a.m., from 6 a.m. every day. From 6 a.m. every day, I'll be going live to analyze the market together. I want us to be analyzing the market together from 6 to around 7 a.m. Yeah. Yes. So don't miss our session from 6 a.m. to around 7 a.m. Okay. In the morning. So this is our analysis for GPP JPY. Yeah, we're gonna be checking this. And also, guys, there's a swing trade which we took on gold. Yeah, I remember we were live. I was on live on TikTok. Also, sometimes I go live on TikTok. I go live on YouTube and also on TikTok. So there's a live that I took on. There's a live that I was on TikTok, and then we were so many. We were almost on TikTok. Most of the times on TikTok, I go live mostly from around 7:30. Yeah, from after this, I go to live on TikTok and also in the evening. But I want to be focusing on YouTube most of the times because I want to grow I want to grow on YouTube also. Yeah, I have the TikTok account. Then I want to be focusing on YouTube also. Are you seeing, guys? So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting on GJ. Maybe you can confirm me another market as I analyze maybe US another market also. Maybe I can check another market. Euro JPY. Can we check Euro JPY? Maybe you can check Euro JPY. Euro JPY is a must. You can see I was expecting a downtrend. I pulled back. You can see the market broke my trend line. The market broke my trend line and it went. So I was waiting for my entry here, for the market to bounce the trend line here, but it didn't give me an entry. So these are selling market, guys. These are selling market, guys. Selling market. You can see the market actually broke my trend line. Yes, for this one, maybe we cannot consider this. Maybe we can check another market. We can check. Can we check CAD JPY? Yes, we can see CAD JPY. Yes, CAD JPY right now. Maybe let me remove this drawing of mine. So we want to analyze CAD JPY at the moment. Where should we start? Where should we start to analyze? See, where should we start to analyze this market? Yeah, for me, I can say maybe I can mark levels whereby the market has been rejected first. That's my entry, my area of interest. You can see that is area number 1. That's first my area of interest at that point. Then we have this entry here. So what does this tells you? This market will gonna come till this region here. This market will gonna come till this region. I think this is a CAD JPY. So if this market will gonna come to this region, then boom, will go up like that. So in Forex, we normally, it's just a probability, guys. It's just a probability this market will gonna go through, but it is not percent sure. It is not like 100% sure the market is gonna go on that side. No. It is just a probability that the market will go at that region. So we can say it is just a probability. It's just a probability, probability the market will go at that region, guys. So these markets, the market is on a ranging market. Yeah, this one you can swing trade. So this one you can swing, because for the market to go to that region, then it's gonna be crazy. Then it's gonna be a lot of crazy. It's gonna be crazy, guys. It's gonna be crazy. So this is for CAD JPY. Maybe we're gonna be checking how the market is approaching, so that if we get this entry together in live, we're gonna be entering together and we're gonna be holding it together. You see, guys, we're gonna be holding this trade together. We're gonna be holding this trade together, guys. So let me go to Euro USD. Let me go to Euro USD. Euro USD. So maybe I can type Euro USD. We have a euro dollar. Yes. So this is a market for euro dollar. You can see on my screen here, it's a market for euro dollar. So this one, what you can do is the first thing, connect there. You can connect these 2 points. This, I think these 2 and this, to form like a trend line. I think that level, guys. I can mark this level of mine here. I can mark this level of mine here, like this. Then I can mark this level of mine here. Then I can be able to mark this level of mine. Yeah. So, for, maybe guys, confirm to me which market can you analyze again? Which market can you analyze again? So this is what I'm expecting. The market to bounce off, then boom here. Then I'll be looking for buys around this region. I'll be looking for more buys in this region, guys. For Euro USD. I'll be looking here for more buys. Yeah, so I am using a trend line strategy for those who are joining the session. I am using a trend line strategy to analyze my market. I am using a trend line strategy to analyze my market. I am using a trend line strategy to analyze my market. Yeah, I'm using trend line to analyze my market, guys. Yeah, let's see. Which market can we analyze together again? Which market can we analyze together, guys? Yes, I have analyzed Euro USD. So this is what I'm expecting on USD currently. Yeah. So USD is still on uptrend. Yeah, the market is still on uptrend. The market is still on uptrend, guys. The market is still on uptrend market. Yeah, the market is still on uptrend. Yes. So gonna be waiting for the market of this region. Then because so you should not exceed buying this region here. You should not exceed buying above this region because this is an area where we have a supply zone. I think so. The market will always reject this region. So always take your profit when the market. Let's say you are holding this buy trade. Yeah, D keeps. Can confirm to me, guys. Can confirm to me, guys. Which strategy are you using at the moment to trade? Yeah, confirm to me. Are you an SMC trader? Are you a trendline trader? Are you a TMM trader? Yeah, confirm to me. Confirm to me. So we can get in how you trade. Yeah, if you're using order blocks, tell me. Just text in the comments order blocks or or moving average, or maybe you're using moving average, because all of us are using a different system to trade. All of us are using different system to I think yes, we can be same. We can be same. There's some people who trade exactly like me. There's some people who trade differently. So it's a matter of you go what you go you do you analyze you like you you trade strategy that works on your personality. That's what I can advise you guys. Trade a strategy that works on your personality. There's a video I uploaded. Yesterday on YouTube. Yeah, it's about trade liquidity grab. It's a very nice strategy. You can maybe if you have not checked that video, you're gonna check that video of mine. It's really game changing. It's really a game changing strategy. Yeah, it really works well. It really works well. So mostly on pound pairs. Yeah, it works based on the pound pairs. Yeah, it really works well on the pound pairs. So again, which market can we check together, guys? Which market can we check together? I think we can check New Zealand dollar. You can check New Zealand dollar. NSD. So we can check New Zealand dollar. So this is a New Zealand dollar market. Yeah, New Zealand dollar. Again, New Zealand dollar is crazy, guys. This market is kind of crazy. Yes. Market structure was broken here. So for this one, maybe I can say we can trade the market structure with this. We can trade the market structure with this. Maybe I can mark this level here. You can see breakout and retest. Are you seeing the breakout? I think the breakout. So we had a breakout here, we had a breakout here, we had a breakout here. Then we have a retest here. I think we have a retest at this region. So let me mark it. So here, so we have a retest at that region there. So maybe I can draw this point like this. I can draw this area like this. Then I'm going to be going on a shorter time frame to look for entries. Maybe sell. Yeah, currently this market you're going to be looking to sell. Guys, can see? Yeah, this market currently you're going to be looking to sell. This is what I can advise you guys is you're going to be looking to sell this market. You can see it has bounced off the trend line. Yeah, we started drawing from here. So so I think this one let's wait for the confirmation candle so that we can enter this sell trade. You can see it's a sell trade at the moment here. It's a sell trade at the moment. So my second touch is here. Then my third touch is here. So here I'm gonna be waiting here for a bearish engulfing to sell. I think, guys, I'm gonna be waiting for a bearish engulfing to sell. Market has not presented any confirmation candle here. The market has not confirmed any confirmation candle. You see, there is no any confirmation candle here. So if this market is going to present here a bearish engulfing here or a shooting star, then we're going to be selling this to the downtrend. And where are you going to be taking your take profit point? You're going to be taking your take profit point, guys, the previous low. Where is my previous low? Is here. Or maybe you can draw something like this, a trend line again, like this. You can draw something like this. I think this point. You see? Yes. So if you sell here, if you get a confirmation sell here, we're gonna be holding this trade till where? This region. Yeah. So this is what is happening on the New Zealand dollar. So so maybe you can wait. Maybe you can be waiting for your on the other side of yours. You can take a picture of this. You can take a picture of this. Then you're gonna be waiting. Maybe you can take a picture of this. Then wait for right now here. The market is going to be giving us an entry right now. Yeah, the market is going to be giving us an entry here right now, guys. The market will gonna be giving us an entry here right now. So to be on the safe side, you need at least to wait for the confirmation, then you can sell. Then you can sell, guys. So so I think, guys, we are done with our live analysis. And again, today we took 40 minutes for analysis. We took at least 40 minutes for our analysis. And so again, we're going to be going live maybe another time. I'll be coming again maybe another time. But our normal days, we're going to be going live from around 6 a.m. Yeah, from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. I'll be going live, guys, on YouTube, guys. Maybe to check the market, how it has been, to check the to check the overall view of the market. And also, if you are a swing trader, guys, if you are a swing trader, you are in the right track, because sometimes if I get a swing trade and for example, we are live, we can enter together that market and we can hold that trade. Yeah, confirm to me, guys. Confirm to me which strategy are you using? Which strategy have you been using to trade? Which strategy have you been using to trade? Yeah, confirm to me which strategy have you been using for the last, maybe since you started trading, or maybe currently what you're using to trade. Yeah, confirm to me, guys. Yes, so we're going to be going live every day from this point. Yes, so guys, I think it was a nice session. Make sure you watch my video that I uploaded on my YouTube. It's about how to trade liquidity grab. It's crazy a video. It's crazy strategy, and it works. And currently I am using it. I am using it to trade on pound pairs. So guys, bye bye. So see you on the next session, guys. It was a nice session with you guys. Bye bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna be going out of live right away. So let's meet on the next session, guys. Bye bye.